securing traditional grants for environmental research can often feel like navigating an endless labyrinth of bureaucracy, lengthy review cycles, and high rejection rates for early career scientists. When studying critical ecosystems, tracking climate variables, or testing conservation strategies, waiting months or years for institutional funding is a luxury most field studies simply cannot afford. This reality has driven many modern researchers to look beyond conventional academic pathways and explore specialized digital crowdfunding platforms designed explicitly to finance scientific discovery. At the forefront of this movement is Experiment, a dedicated crowdfunding ecosystem built specifically for scientific research. Unlike mainstream crowdfunding sites where creators pitch consumer gadgets or artistic endeavors, Experiment focuses entirely on empirical research, making it a natural fit for environmental projects ranging from marine biology field tests to local air quality tracking. Environmental research often captures public imagination because the outcomes directly impact local communities, wildlife, and the global climate, giving researchers a distinct advantage when presenting their work to a broad audience. Launching a campaign on the platform requires a structured approach to transparency and public communication. Researchers must clearly outline their hypotheses, detail their methodology, and establish a transparent financial budget. Because backers on Experiment do not receive physical consumer products or commercial merchandise in return for their support, the primary incentive for contribution is the intrinsic value of the science itself. Backers support a project because they want to witness discovery, making clear storytelling and jargon-free explanations essential tools for success. The platform operates on an all-or-nothing funding model. A researcher sets a specific financial goal and a strict time frame, usually spanning 30 days. If the project reaches or exceeds its target goal, the funds are collected, minus the platform and payment processing fees. If the campaign falls short of the target, no money changes hands and all pledges are canceled. This model protects both the backers and the researcher, ensuring that incomplete budgets do not leave critical field studies stranded halfway through data collection. Environmental projects frequently excel on this platform due to their visual and tangible nature. Whether a team is sampling microplastics in coastal waters or monitoring deforestation rates using drone technology, sharing regular updates, field photos, and raw data turns donors into active participants in the scientific journey. These ongoing updates, referred to on the platform as lab notes, build immense trust and foster a dedicated community of supporters who often share the campaign across their own digital networks. Beyond direct public crowdfunding, the platform has increasingly integrated matching grants and partnerships with foundations interested in accelerating ecological and technological innovation. Programs like the Science Engine enable microgrants and fast funding opportunities for early-stage ideas that might otherwise slip through the cracks of traditional bureaucratic review boards. By bypassing traditional institutional bottlenecks, environmental researchers can test high-risk, high-reward conservation concepts and gather preliminary data fast enough to apply for larger federal grants later. Ultimately, funding environmental research through digital platforms transforms science communication from an afterthought into an active funding engine. By presenting compelling ecological questions directly to the public, researchers retain creative agency over their work while building a broad coalition of advocates dedicated to protecting the planet.